How to fix SIM card no service issue on Mi Redmi. So if you want to fix SIM card no service issue on Mi Redmi, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your dial pad. On your dial pad, you need to enter *#* 4636 #*#. And after that, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with phone information 1. You'll see the mobile radio power, and if it is turned on, you just need to simply go with turn off, wait for 10 seconds, and after that again turn it on. After that, you can open up your settings, tap on SIM card and mobile networks. Now select your SIM slot and select the preferred network type. You can choose prefer LTE if you are already using, or you can also select 2G, 3G, or you may also have 4G option. After that, you can restart your network. To restart your network, you need to enable airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds and turn it off. Now check your issues. If you still have problems, then you need to open up your settings, scroll down and go with connection and sharing, and scroll down again and tap on reset, Wi-Fi network, mobile network, and Bluetooth, and tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom. Once you reset your network settings, you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.